Hi everybody, welcome to the second portion of the lecture on creating whiteboard animations for your video lectures. Well, I have already told you that you have to create a login ID in videoscribe, and you are seeing that on the left side. My mouse is hovering over it, and this videoscribe I have downloaded after creating a login ID, which I have created as a free trial. So this I'm doing it as a free version. From the free version only, I'm going to create a lesson. Create a new scribe is there. That means that gives a provision to create a new lesson, an animated video whiteboard lesson. Then recent scribes, whichever you have there, you can, if you have created, you can see. Local scribes and online scribes, template scribes. You can click on all these things and you can go and explore by yourself. These things are very simple and you can definitely explore by yourself. Now I'll show you how to create a animated lesson, whiteboard lesson. Click on new scribe. I clicked on new scribe. Suppose I'm going to teach a lesson on articles. I have gone to the text option, TT option, and I have come to the screen. Here, I can choose any of the font style which I want. I have chosen Londrina Solid. I can choose any of the pattern, regular, light, black, thin available. I can choose from there. More fonts option is also there. In addition to that, this is for left alignment, this is for middle alignment, and this is for right alignment. And here we have the color choosing option from where I can choose the color. The color by default is black, and I accept for that now. And I'm going to create a lesson on articles. As I'm teaching English, I'm going to teach articles, a lesson on articles. So I have created articles here. So wherever I want to keep the title of my lesson, suppose in the middle of my board as a heading, I have to take it and I have to keep it there. Then I have to click on this particular icon. See, the hand symbol is hovering over that place. I have to set camera to current position. I have set the camera now to the current position. So the articles will be here. In case I want to zoom the size of the title, I can zoom it like this. And again, I'm clicking on this so that it gets saved. Then again, I'm going to tell there are two types of articles. Two types of articles. I have typed two types of articles. Suppose I want to change the color. I'm changing the color here. Okay, now it will type it as two types of articles are there. And what are the titles? Types of articles that can also be typed separately. I want these two things to be one after the next, so I'm keeping it there. Again, I'm clicking on this set camera to current position. Then one thing I would like to tell you, see this toolbar. Here you have a hand symbol. I want to choose the hand, whether I could be a right hander or left hander, whichever position I would like to take. I have options here. So I'm just choosing from Yasmin. I'm a right hander and Yasmin has a right hand figures for 2 pages. So I'm going to choose from one page, whichever hand looks good for me, appealing. I'm choosing one hand for that, for my animation. So that hand will appear and write on the board now. So see how it is, you are going to see that. This is how it will appear now. Articles, two types of articles. There is no sound, there is no background, nothing. So I have to add background and it is also zooming in. So to avoid this zooming in option, what I should do, we are going to see that now. To avoid zooming in, see here, zoom at the end option is there, no? That check mark, that square, that tick has to be removed. Now you're going to see how it gets played. See, it gets played well. It gets played well. Okay. Now, if I want to add voice to that, I have to click on this. Instead, I can add a music also to this. If I want to add music, I can add music like this. These are